Look at all the pretty glass, guys. I did ask permission. They did tell me I could record. It's raining, so a lot of the yard sales shut down again. So we decided to find somewhere fun to go, and this is where we ended up. Ooh, that's real pretty. I got 45 on that. So it's a hit or miss at antique malls-ish. If we have any room for wiggling, so we'll keep shopping though. Ooh, that's really pretty. I keep getting people asking me if they can get if we have any fitting animals. That's an animal, I guess. It's more of like a bird, but still. Look at these, Larry. There's your. He's $10. 10, 8, and 10. And turtle. Here, another turtle.
10% off.
10%. There's 2 more turtles. There's another turtle back there. Here's that little green guy. He's $8. I don't know what 10% would be. And there's
10% of $10 is $1.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. No, it says 20. Oh, this is kind of cool. His tires like turn. It's weird. I don't see any sale on this one. He's kind of cool though, isn't he? I don't know if I can put him back on the shelf he was on there. It's up too high with one hand. All these shoes are neat. Why are all the fun shoes always not ever my size? I'd wore those because I'm a weirdo. We're in a very primitive part of the world, so there's going to be a lot of primitive stuff, Larry. Lots and lots of primitives. $20% off this booth. This is jadeite right here. If it ain't jadeite, it sure looks like it. Was 20% off 16, Larry. Oh my god, look at that dog, it ain't got no hair. Actually kind of paused in my tracks. It kind of scared me a little bit. I ain't a big enough seller to pay $16 for something. I'm too cheap. Maybe one day, maybe my YouTube grows like crazy. Maybe one day I'll get $16 for a tiny little salt sheller like that. Way country, Larry. We in the primitive cities of cities. 50% off this whole booth, Larry. You need something in your life? I feel very sunburnt today. 40% off this booth, and they put tags everywhere. They wanted you to see it. I have the hiccups. I don't see anything I'm loving. There's a little mouse down there. Y'all see the mouse? Okay. Trump fans or not, look at this. Who does that look like? Who does that look like? And this looks like Pee Wee Herman with a mustache. Who does that look like though? Dude, I've got a discount at all. This is really pretty. This is really cool. And then this unicorn is cute too. This cat's got weird eyes. No.
Nope.
It's the only two things I see. I don't know, $9. I don't know anything about that crystal, but it's pretty, isn't it? I wanted to show it to you. This is adorable. We should buy this, Larry. It's only $5. And their booth is 20% off. So we're buying this. I'm gonna buy this. What about this Halloween stuff over here? No, I don't really like any of that. But I do like this. This cat is everything, you guys, and it's gotta come home with us. It's wood, and I absolutely love the eyes. It is so freaking cute. I gotta buy it. Somebody's been asking me for these purses right here, but I don't know if I can do the art glass purse for $24. It was like $15 maybe. Oh my god, that is so retro. Oh, that's so cute. It's very clean too. What's that weirdo? That is somebody's art project. That was somebody's art project. This is, look, it's a real seductive frog, Larry. Come get me, come get me. He even has his legs open for you. Look, there's another one of the horses. Look, there's that, and then there's the Stranger Things. And I know Young's gonna see the Batman. We're not buying that Batman. He didn't buy the last one. It just was a hot mess. He expressed the shit. Look, there's my buddy. And I don't know what that is. Larry, you gonna buy any of these? He's thinking about buying these, you guys. Zorro? How you say that, Larry?
Zorro.
Squeeze me chicken. Last item I found like this, Kathy said I should have bought it. This one's only $5. You gonna want it, Kathy, if I buy this for $5 for you? We'll put it in the cart and see. It's somebody's art project again. Isn't it hilarious? And then here's a man with no head. Nomad, it says. That's funny. Oh man. Ooh, I'm gonna knock something over. Old bags. Oh, I'm dying here, y'all. Oh, this thing is awesome. Wonder what it used to be. It says an old lamp. That is stunning. This is like everything. They want $12 for it. That is awesome. I wonder if there's a way to make it hang. Because it looks like a hanger. It's got a hole behind that thing. It does. I wonder if this booth is on sale at all. Oh my god, there's more. Look at this one. I got 8 on that one. That one don't have any damage though. I gotta see if this booth is on sale first. I don't see a tag. They usually have it here in the back. But I really like this. This is awesome. Oh, look at the little pig salt and pepper shakers. Oh, look at the honey pot. $12. I don't need another. You need another honey pot, Katie. You need to hold in your head. This booth is is on sale too. I don't know. I really like that, so I'm gonna take it. It's still gonna be $10, but I don't know. Is it enough to be enough, Larry? I think it's awesome. It's only 20% off 12.
About $10.
What do you think? No.
I don't know.
Alright. We're gonna put it back. Larry's saying no. He's giving me the side eye, y'all. Gave me the side eye, so we're gonna put it back on the table. If it was maybe like 8 and 20% off, he said. That I read his mind. How much is this? 12 on that too. That's a bank. I don't like him so much. I thought he was just a ceramic. This person knows the cats sell. They got $20 on the pair. Those are cute though. Is this booth on sale at all, Larry? $20 and 20% off. I don't know about that. I just said to Larry, this booth is probably going to be out of my price range. I need like $8 to $10 with 20% off. That's really neat right there. Look, Larry's got its original shade. And somebody, oh, it's plastic. I didn't expect that. Wouldn't it melt with fire?
Possibly.
I mean, if they had the flame up too high, it definitely would melt. Wonder what that's for. I'm like, boo-boo-doo-boo-doo, which way do I go?
50% off.
This one is, these are, I think, Sears and Roebuck. They're just not the frogs. That's kind of cool. Light top tree topper, vintage tree topper with the angel. I bet she don't work. That's why they only got $2 on her. All right, is that $2, Larry, or is that $20?
2.
All right, 50% off. We'll take her for $1. She's vintage.
We'll just make sure when we go over.
Those are birds. They're, I think they're napkin hoarders. A house, but then it's a train and it's a car all in one. I don't see a price on it. Maybe it's a train. I think it might be a train. They got $29 on it. Yeah, it's a 4-piece train.
Oh, okay.
You just couldn't see it all. I guess we'll put it back on its shelf it came off of. We're like, what is it? I got all hyped, thought this was something Halloween, and it definitely isn't. Dang it. Wicker Lady's kind of cool. Ooh, this is really pretty. Who makes that? It's a peacock plate. That is awesome. All those little embellishments to make it look like a peacock all the way out. That's kind of cool. I only got $10 on it. It's 10% off. I don't know if, no name, I don't know if I want it, but that was pretty neat. That perfume bottle is really pretty. I'm gonna get that for $4.99. That's very, very pretty. I love the rainbow effect that it has on it. That's awesome. Stoppers. I ain't seeing nothing else in this booth, but I like this, Larry. Look how pretty that iridescence is on those facets. It's on that, and it's not damaged either. They only got $4.99 on it. That's a good buy. And I found this wallet. I don't remember if I was recording, so yeah. Who do you think this is for, Larry? Yep. Because she told me in the last one that I like this butterfly. It's got a cloudy bottom though, so it's probably not Murano, but I've never seen a butterfly before. And everybody wants these, but holy moly, they've been so expensive on our trip. And look at this. I bet this is Lalique. It says clear glass eagle. I don't know who makes this thing, but it is gorgeous. It's huge. I'm gonna knock the little thing over with its wings. Holy moly. I don't think that base is original to it though. It looks glued onto it. That thing is gorgeous. I would not want to ship that. No ma'am. Not because I can't do it, just because I don't want to do it. There's a difference in knowing how to do something and wanting to do something. Yeah, but they got them priced too high for me to do anything with. What are these? This one at $18. I won't get 18 out of it. I mean, those are jadeite.
$4.50 off.
I'm drooling over it. Like, I'm so drooling over it. The only thing that's holding me back from buying it is it's not signed. Is it on the lip?
Here, let's see what one of these say.
All of his paperweights are signed. We've sold his paperweights before. And this is not signed. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Found these cutie patooties, so we're gonna take these home with us. These are shelf sitters, and these are just little knickknacks. They're adorable. So we're gonna get both sets of those.